Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into FedEx Ground. If you are a FedEx Ground employee and you'd like to log into your account, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open a web browser of your preference. Once you do that, go to the URL box at the top and type in packagehandler.van.fedex.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now, you will end up in the login portal specifically for employees where you can enter your Ground ID number. Enter your FedEx Ground ID number in the text box and click on Login. Once you enter your credentials, and you will be taken to a new page. There you'll need to follow through the instructions till the end. Your Ground ID number will be located on the front of your security badge, so make sure you type in the information correct to get access to your account. So that is how you can easily log into FedEx Ground. As a FedEx Ground employee, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.